Got this 1967 Mercury Cougar. Guy was in the middle of restoring. Passed away, sadly. Things in there. Miles. 85,000. Judging by the pedals. Probably an 85,000 mile car. Pretty clean. It's been sitting for a while. Trunk's missing.
Hello and welcome. This is Leisure Pursuit Mechanic Edition. Today, I'm going to be trying to fire that 67 Cougar that I picked up from a barn. It's been sitting for about 15 years. Super dirty. The spark plugs are roached, so I'm going to change those first. Probably dump some fresh gas down it, throw a new battery in it, crank her over and see what happens. So with that, I guess we'll get started.
Here she is. Got her in the garage. Started to take some stuff out of it. Messed with the old carburetor. Haven't fired her yet. I'm gonna clean her out first, make sure she's sound all the way around. And then go from there.
A little tight in here. It's not too bad. Like I said before, it's the original 289. The spark plugs look a little rusty.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Let's start pulling out these plugs. Hopefully they come out without breaking. Obviously Fords are known to do that. But we'll see what happens. Sitting here talking to myself like a crazy guy. There's nobody else in this shop, and I doubt anybody's going to be watching this. But it's for me. Hello, future me. All right, let me get a time lapse set up, and we'll get started.
Yeah.